Hey, Chris Matthew here, hacking on computes.io again this weekend, and I added something really cool to the platform, memory. So now all of the computing kernel and all the computing cores can share an object, a JSON object of compute's memory in real time. Let me show you how this works. If we log in the kernel, I added memory to the API, so you can basically set and get JSON objects in memory collectively across your supercomputer. There's an example here. If you click on the memory tab, not only will it show you what the current state of RAM is across all of your domain, but it also gives you examples on how to get the value of RAM in your core, as well as set the value of RAM. This particular, and when it changes, I added an on-memory event. So you're just like you're watching for results or on ready of your supercomputer state, you can also have your cores react, or your kernel react when the memory changes. You get the whole JSON object value in on memory events. So let me show you how it works. This demo, like in this example, it just basically gets the initial value. So memory.on will return the current value of memory. So you could start there and do something with that. Or in this particular example, I'm going to count from 0 to 9. And I'm going to set the memory with a counter. And add the text test. I mean, you can do anything you want. It's just a JSON object. But what is cool is this will happen really fast, so you got to watch it. But this memory state is live. So as this job runs, you'll see this memory blip and change very quickly. So here's the code. It's just what I showed you in that example. And so if we open up here, I'll move this off the side so we can still see it. If I do node npm, I named it memory, and if we run it, you'll see it start outputting output, and then the web app should also be giving you the same information. So the kernel, the cores, and the web app are all communicating to the same memory pool for this domain. Here we go. Counter 0, you saw it set. Count it to 9 very quickly. And return the result. Here, I'll run it again. Set it to 0, saw it change, and then you'll see there's the results. We're back to 9. So imagine all the cool things you can do where now your supercomputer has memory, live memory.